Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'll be doing a unboxing of Beyblade Burst Pro Series Judgement Joker. Finally found this and adding it to my collection. But yeah, and it is with Sin, Zero, and Glaive, and Ultimate Reboot. And yay. Can't wait. And then next video will be here. And this is the same day. I worked today, so yeah. That's why I haven't uploaded any videos till now. Or once you see this. Because I still haven't got it up yet. Kind of the reason is building these and stuff like that. Yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, this is actually the first Pro Series I've seen in a long time, at least at my Target. There's a launcher. There's the Beyblade. Is there any stickers? Wait. And the stickers must be... I won't put the stickers on. So yeah, stickers, but I won't put them on. But in the videos you'll be seeing after this, we'll have the stickers on. Because I'm in a bit of a rush. Since I still want to relax and take a picture of all my Gundam figures. Yeah, I was like Glaive. You'll be seeing a battle between these two, and then Hasbro Ultimate Reboot, or just Reboot. So yeah, exactly the same besides this and the parts. 00, Glaive, Atomic, pretty good with the clicks, but yeah. Hope you guys like this short little video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And the third video will be the battle. Goodbye.